Hello everybody, welcome to Let's Play Clumsy the Bird. It's a parody of Flappy Bird since I want to do something Flappy Bird related. Hello, how you doing there, bird? I'm doing fine. I'm sick of these games. Fudge. Oh, here's my new score. Oh yeah. Oh man. Come on, baby girl, I want your egg. Fudge. Come on, baby girl, I want your egg. Okay. Take it. Oh, come on, man. This is for me. Fudge. That one I was talking to. Okay, next time you just tell me which Flappy Bird we're going to play this slushy fish. It's so hard. I'm stuck at these games. Okay, one more round, that's it. I haven't made it 2 minutes yet. Okay. Okay, no more fooling around. Okay. How you doing? How you doing, boy? I'm doing fine. How are you? Well, hey, you baby girl. Here. I think you've been replaced. Replaced by who? Well, by me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Dang it. Okay. One more round. That's it. One more round. Later. Just do one more round. Just one more simple round. I gotta pause it. Thanks for watching. If you're tweeting this video, bless you. Peace out.